Oh yeah, baby. Time to open the 40-pack. Let's do it. On the front is Matthew Stafford. From the Chargers or Rams, I can't remember. This is from Panini. It's the 40 card per pack. I gotta look for exclusive dots, gold and red parallels. 2022 NFL trading cards. Let's go. Let's heckin' go. Some of these I should know. I watch football. Wow, some backwards ones. Weird. First, Chris Johnson from the Tennessee Titans. Yes. Yes. Oh, yeah. Devontae Adams from... It's a scorecard, too, looks like. But both of these are scorecards. From Green Bay Packers. I want to see if I can get Aaron Rodgers. That's one I want to get. There's a couple upside down ones. From DJ Clark Jr. from the Panthers, if I'm not mistaken. Looks like yes. I don't know if I saw these or showed these two, but there you go. From the Colts? No, Broncos. Yeah, Broncos. Jerry Judy. Has things actually cool. Another upside down card. From the Titans, Harold Landry. These look like they're going to be scorecards. A lot of them, and then there's going to be some other non-cards. So, yeah. For the Detroit Lions, Jamal Williams. Oh, yes. I probably know some of these, but I don't know. From the... I actually forgot what this team is. Actually. I forgot. Seahawks, I think. Steve Largent. Oh, yeah. Now, Austin Ekeler from the Chargers? Yeah, Chargers. I'm a Chargers fan, so, you know. Next, from the Bengals, if I'm not mistaken, Joe Burrow. From I think this is the Rams, LA Rams. I guess, because I think the Rams actually switched teams. Cooper Kupp. From the Seahawks, Bobby Wagner. By the way, I can't read the position they read because these are readers. From the Chargers, Keenan Allen. From the Ravens, Ray Lewis. Baltimore Ravens, that is. I've always said, Ravens, but yeah. I actually don't remember what team this is. Diami Brown. Is this the Washington? Wisconsin? I think it's Wisconsin. No. I don't remember. But from the Dolphins, Jalen Phillips. I want Aaron Rodgers. That's what I want. From New York, Giants, I think. Kyle Rudolph. Wow. Is this a Patriots? And did the Patriots redo the old logo? But anyway, Andre Tippett. I noticed the Patriots. I noticed the old school Patriots logo. No, this is the Seahawks, I think. I don't know. I don't remember. Y'all gotta tell me if I... Wait. I know there's the Seahawks and somebody else. But anyway, Fletcher Cox. That's actually... I actually like these football cards. I do. Okay, from the... Looks like the Browns. Myles Garrett. And you're like, it's the Browns. Why are you even doing... Anyway. From the Jets, Breece Hall. I like this name. I just like this name. I don't know why. I have a theory for this because I kind of probably know. Ooh, Texans. I can tell Texans. John Mechie the third. The third. I gotta do that because I'm used to saying that. Wow, these are all upside down. What the crap? Anyway, also from the Texans, Damon Pierce. Yeah. I can tell that's the Texans easily. Oh, is this the Hawks? I don't remember. I don't remember which team this is. Because I'm usually more of a, like, you know, Detroit Lions, LA's teams, Florida's teams, and that's pretty much it. Desmond Ritter. Why are these upside friggin' down? Oh my god, that's annoying. From the Packers, Devontae Wyatt. Also, Packers is a team I like. Oh god, I forgot. I keep forgetting what a lot of these birds are, but I do know Baltimore Ravens, though. Myjai Sanders. I'm not saying this is the Baltimore one, by the way. From the Baltimore Ravens, Tyler Batty. Or die. Looks like we have some red cards. Ooh, from the Panthers. Mark Brunell. Yeah, these gotta be worth a little bit of something, like a couple of cents. I forgot, but Jake Plummer. Someone tell me what that is. Can someone tell me what these birds ones are? Because I actually forgot. Oh, for the Pittsburgh Steelers, I think? Yeah. George Pickens. I know this is an... I was a Steeler fan way back in the day, so I recognize that logo. Here is a potential... Kenny Pickett. They like Kenny Pickett, don't they? Because I've seen at least 2 cards in here of them. Defending end score from it's a 2022 rookie one. That's pretty cool. Kayvon Thibodeaux, I think. I'm not really good with French names, but that looks like a 2022 card, which ain't gonna be worth much right now, but it will be. Celebration. What are the Buffaloes celebrating? Allen showcases quick feet. Celebration. And I'll let y'all read this. Pause it if you can read it. On pause now. Next, we have back attack Micah Parsons from the Dallas Cowboys. Looks like it's Cowboys, but it looks like he... Oh, wait. Yeah. Duh. And it shows... Bam. Love that. Love it. I love it. Celebrations. Matthew Stafford. Ha! Got Matt Stafford. He is from LA Rams. I got it right. Bam. And the way he's celebrating. Yeah. I knew I would get like a Stafford card because he was on the front. A back attack for Pittsburgh Steelers, TJ Watt. Looks like to the Browns, which, I mean, doesn't mean very much. Ha! come at me. Anyway, TJ Watt. Yeah. I like these. I like these cards. I don't care. Another celebration for the Eagles. So, yeah, Eagles was that one. That's actually answered one of my questions. Devonta Smith. Yeah, with a little bit of eye candy in the back. Haha. A first ballot John Elway. Oh, nice. Here we go. Potential from Isaiah Spiller. He was with Texas A&M. Bam. Honestly, I don't know if I got anything good, but I'm happy with the cards I got. You know, the Marcus Ware from Denver Broncos back attack. Boom! Is what he said. 2. The Green Bay Packers. Oh, yeah. A celebration. What he's celebrating. What is Najee Harris celebrating? Harris commenced the scoring in Pittsburgh's 29-27 win over Chicago. Week 9 of 2021. Yeah. I like these. I do. And a running back from, I think it's a rookie card from Ohio State of 2022. Breece Hall. Oh, yeah. Am I happy what I got? Yes, I am. Because I'm just trying, because these will actually going to be worth a lot of money down the road. So, I'm definitely taking care of these. I got 3 red ones. I don't know if these are worth anything or not, these 3 ones. But I am happy. And I like how they're easier to put them back into the thing. That's cool. Anyway, if y'all like this, hit that like, subscribe, and all that. Peace.